So if you're looking to make a couple $100 to a couple $1,000 without too much difficult work, I have 12 websites that will help you do just that starting today. And I'm going to list them in order from most difficult to easiest, in my opinion. So starting off, we got what I think is the most difficult because it involves something that I really just genuinely don't like. Laundry. But if you like doing laundry, if you're good at it, then this is the website for you. Sudshare is like Uber for laundry. When people have dirty clothes, they order for it to be picked up, laundered, folded, and brought back to them. To get started, all you're gonna do is go to the Sudshare website, click join the team, click start now, put in your phone number, you're gonna get a text message with the app, you sign up, go through a brief training course to make sure you can do the job properly, and then you'll be able to start making money. I signed up a couple weeks ago for this video. Every single day I've gotten over $100 in opportunities. Do you have a good voice? No, not a singing voice, but that would be pretty cool. I'd love to hear it. No, do you have a good voice talking? Like what I'm doing right now, because if you do, then ACX is the website for you to start making some extra money. ACX is the website that authors come to get their books turned into audiobooks. How it works is you sign up, create a profile, upload samples, you decide how much and how you want to get paid, you accept any offers that you get, start recording, finish the recording, deliver it, and you get paid. I found a LinkedIn article about how someone was making $200,000 on ACX. It shows that the average ACX job is paying $300 per finished hour of narration. So if you narrate a book and it's 10 hours, then you're gonna make $3,000. And you could probably do about 2 of those per month, maybe even 3, maybe even 4. I don't know. If you're good enough, you could probably do it once a week. And that adds up. Most websites that claim they'll pay you to do just random tasks like surveys and whatever else, they suck. But Respondent is a bit different. See, they'll pay you to do research studies, and they'll pay up to $750 per research study that you participate in. All you need to do is sign up with a work email, and there will be a list of hundreds of paid opportunities on your screen immediately. I signed up today, and there's 244 that I could take advantage of and make thousands of dollars. Are you an expert in any field? A veterinarian, a lawyer, graphic designer, a coder, really any profession? If so, Just Answer might just be the answer to you making some extra income. See, on this website, people ask experts specific questions, and as the experts answer, they make money. According to Just Answer, experts earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 per month, with the highest earners bringing in over $80,000 per year. The only downside is you need to prove that you're an expert in some field. But with the potential to make $7,000 per month, it's probably worth looking into if you qualify for that. And if you don't qualify for that, you're still probably better than most people, at least the majority of the population, at something. Whether it's French, psychology, Photoshop, algebra, sports coaching, piano, whatever it is, you can sign up for SuperProf and you can teach that skill set. SuperProf claims that you can make $20 to $80 an hour being a tutor on their site. If you have any sort of expertise, you can use SuperProf to bring in some sort of extra income. Now, this is a bonus website, and it's not one of the 12, so it's 13 videos, but the title only says 12. I'm talking about Webull. There's a link in my description for Webull, and what Webull is a stock trading platform. There's also crypto, and if you sign up for Webull, you never had an account before, you sign up, open an account, put a little bit of money in, it could be like $5. You will get 12 free stocks, potentially valued up to $30,600. So if you're looking to make some money, that's the easiest way. Go get your free money. On to the next one. Companies come to Textbroker to have content written for them. And who do they go to write that content? Well, people like you and me, or you and me. They work with huge companies like Staples, eBay, Auto, Conductor. They'll create any type of written content, from basic articles to in-depth articles that require a ton of research, to taking content you have and converting it into other foreign languages. All you're gonna do is click I write content. Now, starting off, the pay is not gonna be great, but on Quora, someone asked how much can someone reasonably earn writing on textbroker.com? And to that question, someone answered, I used to write full-time on Textbroker and made around $3,000 to $4,000 per month. For any solid writers, this is the option for you. You're gonna make a lot of money. For anyone who's not a solid writer, well, ChatGPT might be your best friend for this. User testing is a website that businesses come to get feedback on their website, apps, digital products, and you can be the one giving this feedback. User testing is a publicly traded company, so you know they're legitimate. And if you go to their website and click Get Paid to Test, you'll be able to see how it works. You just apply, browse the opportunities, you then do the tests, and you make money immediately. I found a review online of user testing because I was curious. Can you really make money testing websites, apps, digital products, etc.? And the answer is yes. They pay $10 for every 20-minute video that you complete. Getting $10 in the time it would take you to watch a Seinfeld episode doesn't seem too bad to me. And I'm not telling you to go watch TV while you're user testing, but I'm not saying that I wouldn't. If you're good at making video content, and it doesn't even have to be high quality, you can just use one of these, and I know you have one of these. There's 2 websites that will pay you to create videos. The first is ProductTube. It's an app for iOS or for Android that you can download and use when you're going grocery shopping and make money. There's 3 types of videos that you can create on ProductTube and make money with. At home is just videos that you make in the comfort of your home with products that you have at home that you bought at the grocery store. In store is videos that you make while you're shopping. So you basically just strap your phone to your shopping cart and shop as you normally would. And augmented reality is using the technology that ProductTube has to show products in any area of your house without actually even having the products. If you're already going to the grocery store, and I'm sure a lot of you are, then why not make some money when you're there? Now, B-roll is a little bit different, but similar. E-commerce brands like Athletic Greens will pay for creators to create content showing their products. You can be the one showing their products. If you download the app, you'll instantly be able to sign up for opportunities, and B-roll claims to pay $50 to $100 per video. REV is a website that people come to get them to transcribe audio and put captions on their videos, and they pay people like you and me to do just that, transcribe audio and put captions on videos. To get a good idea of how much you might make on Rev, as a transcriptionist, the range of pay is 30 cents to 110 cents per audio or video minute that you're transcribing. And as a captioner, the range of pay is 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute that you caption. So if you don't mind sitting in front of your desk for a couple hours transcribing audio or writing captions of videos, then this is the website for you. This one's for the students out there or recent college graduates who still have test prep or notes or group projects or really any documents from their classes. Stuvia is a website that allows you to sell pretty much any notes that you've ever taken in college. And you can see on their website that the average earnings per month per user is over $100. The average earnings per document sold is almost $9. I did do a little bit of research into the website, and I found this article that shows that on Stuvia, top sellers of study documents are earning around $400 every single month. The last website is one that literally requires no extra work on your part. It might require a little bit of embarrassment, but you can make over $1,000 a month with this website. Carvertise allows you to get a monthly income for driving around town just as you would. The only difference is you're driving around with a big decal of some business on your car. However, they claim to pay out $450 to $1,500 per campaign. So if you don't mind riding around with a large logo or decal on your car, then Carvertise is for you. I mean, it literally requires zero extra work on your part. Now, these websites aren't going to make you rich. You could probably tell that, but if you did one or you did some combination of all of them, you will make a couple $100s or even a couple $1,000s a month. So I just want to thank you all for sticking around for this video. You're amazing. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Go out there, have a great day or night, whatever time it is, and I promise I'll be talking to you in another video soon.